Do you take the doors off of your Jeep? Well, if you have, you might have gotten the dreaded Jeep dent. This dent happens when the door strap for the door is removed and the door hyperextends and strikes the panel. If you remove the door, once you put the door back on, make sure that you absolutely get this strap back on to keep the Jeep dent from happening. This is about as deep a Jeep dent as we've ever seen. It's actually probably almost 4 inches. Just incredible depth. Okay, I'm super happy. This was a tough dent. We got a lot of time involved in it, almost 3 hours. The Jeep dent came out incredibly well. We took our time, lots of heat, lots of blending. It was just so much bigger than any Jeep dent I've ever seen. So I'm gonna grab the camera and bring it up and show you how well we did. Stay tuned. Before the antenna goes back on so you can see really how well it came out. Just a great repair. All the way around, nice repair. If you have a dent like this, aka the Jeep dent, give us a call. 412-656-3368. And as always, guys, thanks for watching.